Hello students, this is the third part of exercise 5.2. Here we are going to start with number h. The question is 12 of 9 minus 13 plus 2 into 7 plus 2 minus 1. 7 plus 2 minus 1 is given inside parenthesis. That means we have to solve this first. Now 7 plus 2 is 9. So in the next step we are going to get 12. Instead of I have put a multiplication sign here. So 12 into 9 minus inside curly bracket 13 plus 2 and inside parenthesis we have 9 minus 1. Then we will close all the brackets. Next 9 minus 1 is 8 and 12 of 9. We can also simultaneously solve this. 12 into 9 is 108 minus inside curly brackets we will get 13 plus 2 into 8 curly bracket close. If we remove this parenthesis we can just replace this with a multiplication sign. Since we don't have a sign here, any symbol, we don't have any symbol here with this number, so we are going to replace this with a multiplication sign. So we get 108 minus inside curly brackets 13 plus 2 into 8. Now in this step we are going to solve this part first. 2 into 8 is 16. So we get 108 minus 13 plus 16. And 13 plus 16 is 29. So 108 minus 29 is equal to 79. So the answer is 79. Let us now look at question number I. 90 into 3 plus inside square bracket 120 divided by inside curly bracket 50 minus inside round bracket 15 minus 5. So first of all we are going to solve this 15 minus 5. On solving this we will get 10. So we have 90 into 3 plus 120 divided by 50 minus 10. Next we are going to solve the curly brackets. 50 minus 10 is 40. So we have 90 into 3 plus inside square bracket 120 divided by 40. 120 divided by 40 is 3. So we are going to solve this first. We will write 3 here. So we have 90 into 3 plus 3. In this step we have a multiplication sign and a plus sign. So first of all we are going to multiply these two numbers and to that product we will add 3. So 90 into 3 is 270. So we get 270 plus 3 and 270 plus 3 is 273. So the answer is 273. Let us now look at question number J. 9 plus square bracket open, curly bracket open, 2 of 35 divided by open parenthesis 3 plus 5 minus 1 close parenthesis square bracket curly bracket close plus 15 minus 2 and square bracket close. So here first of all we are going to solve 3 plus 5 minus 1, the one written inside parenthesis. So 3 plus 5 is 8. So we get 9 plus 2 of 35 divided by 8 minus 1 plus 15 minus 2. And 8 minus 1 is 7. So with this we have solved the parenthesis. We will remove the parenthesis and we will take out 7 here. We are going to get 9 plus inside square and curly bracket we have 2 of 35 divided by 7 plus 15 minus 2. Now in this step we have of and division sign. So first of all we are going to solve the of one. Of means multiplication. So you can put a multiplication sign here instead of of. You can write 9 plus 2 into 35 divided by 7 plus 15 minus 2. And if you solve 2 into 35 we will get 70. So 9 plus 70 divided by 7 plus 15 minus 2. 70 divided by 7 is written inside curly brackets, so this has to be solved first. 70 by 7 is 10. So we have 9 plus, inside square bracket we get 10 plus 15 minus 2. 10 plus 15 is 25. So we have 25 minus 2. And 25 minus 2 is 23. So here we will get 9 plus 23, which is equal to 32. After this step I have written here. So the answer here is 32.